Alright, this is my 1981 Casablanca Zephyr. It is in the seldomly seen pewter finish. It is rare, and it has been converted to 3-speed, but I didn't install light kit, as you can tell, and it has a chain. I put a random Casablanca chain on it, and then a tassel. The blades are not original, neither are the blade arms, because the reason being, the blade arms that are pewter are so badly bent. So I just slapped on some very close resemblance antique brass blade arms from the Victorian with stencil blades. And actually it looks really nice. So, just flip a switch and it turns on low. And the low is pretty okay. It's slow. Like Casablanca always does anyway. I am filming this at night, therefore I have to have lights shining on it more than normal. Sadly, it's backlit, so let me go get a few lights to throw at it. There. That's good. Nice, warm, incandescent glow. Alright, well, I'm gonna bump it up to medium now. And actually, surprisingly, the antique brass kind of goes along with the pewter very well. You can't really tell from here that they're early antique brass entirely. Especially with all the lights off in a normal setting, without a video. Can't really tell. It wobbled a lot worse than this. The flywheel still needs to be a bit balanced out, because it hadn't been used up yet. It'll get there someday. Alright. High speed. Okay, it does have a bit of a torque, but it's good still. It's a nice fan. Video, you can't even tell it's wobbling. Right, spin down. Just had to move all those back. That's my video lighting. So yeah, it has a bell canopy, as you can see. The funny thing about this is there's no, like, the light kit wire is cut so short. It's down to the set screws where the down rod would screw into the thingy. The top support is what Casablanca calls it. And so it's all the way to that. It's cut down to about that. It sticks out maybe a centimeter or two out of the top support when you take the down rod off, so it's basically unusable. I don't know why either the person who took this down off Jared's porch or Mr. Adrian P, who Jared acquired this from, must have cut it. And the blade arms were bent, probably by Adrian. And the blades are also warped as well. So I used high gloss blades for my own collection, and the blade arms still went crazy wobbly, so I just used these, and it's a lot better, and plus it looks kind of nice. Yeah, so doesn't have a spin down of any kind, or a startup noise of any kind. So it's just the standard quiet operation of a Casablanca. The way I know it's slumber quiet and not 3-speed from the factory is the fact that it has the heat sinks in the motor, you can tell. I looked in. Actually, while I was putting this up, a wire nut fell inside of the fan, and I was just like, oh, come on. And I figured out a way to push the felt up and get it out of there, and I did. So, boom, problem solving. Yeah, I really love this fan, and it looks great in my room. I might be adding a light kit if I ever find a pewter light kit or anything closely resembling it, but the antique brass blade brackets will match the fan pretty well, honestly, especially since these are kind of tarnished. They're not exactly as bright antique brass as normal. They kind of match, and I like it. From here, you really can't tell. Only when you really go under it, and you can sort of see right there that it's obviously not it, but I mean, they're pretty close. They're the closest I have in my collection. I didn't want to put white blade arms or polished brass on here. So I thought, why not put the Victorian blades on? And hey, look at it, it works. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.